So Mark, what have you found today?
Abby, here I found some puffballs.
Oh wow, look at these!
And if you press them, oh this one here, you might find it's got some spores in there. Can you see it puffing out?
Oh yeah, yeah.
And that's how they spread their spores.
Oh.
Apparently they can do it on their own. It doesn't need someone to come along with a stick and poke them. But there you are, Wiltshire Park, that's where we are.
What about that? About that one? That puff? This one?
I think I'll probably... Yeah.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, there you are.
Wow.
So we're spreading the spores around.
Spreading the spores. I'm going to go and see, thank you for showing
That's okay.
that. I'm going to go and see what Dave has found. Dave, what have you found?
Andrew found it, not me. So I showed interest, but so
Oh, nest.
he took some photos.
Nice. I'm not sure what nest this is, but if anyone has any ideas, we'd love to hear.
A ball, Andrew said either a bird or a ball, he wasn't sure. Well, I would imagine it was a bird.
Nice.
I don't know.